Assalamu alaikum students. Now we move on to the construction of drawing of the influence line for reaction of a cantilever beam. Say this is a cantilever beam with span L, and as you know that cantilever beams have two kinds of reactions, that is that it can have all kinds of reactions, but we are concerned with moment, vertical reaction, and say moment reaction, that is vertical reaction at A and moment reaction at A. These are the two reactions, and we want to construct a influence line for this one. And one thing is very simple, that load is always defined that it is unit moving load. Please remember, it is unit moving load. We construct an influence line for a unit moving load. Say the load starts moving from this place and it has a distance x anywhere in the span, and this is unit load. Now, in order to find out the reaction at A, we can apply the second or equilibrium equation sigma f y is equal to 0. So, this becomes very extremely simple, that in whole of the section, in whole of the length of this cantilever beam, the application of this force will give us the ordinate of the reaction at A will be equal to -1 is equal to 0, meaning by VA is equal to 1. So x does not matter, it is just the application of equation of equilibrium, that all the upward forces are equal to downward forces, so need not to take any moment arm, etc. So whole of the beam will have a rectangle type of influence line for a vertical reaction. This is for influence line for VA, alright, and this is 1, this ordinate is also 1. Now moving on to the second reaction, that is MA, that how to find out the influence line for reactory moment at fixed spot in a cantilever due to unit load applied anywhere in the section. So let's take a moment, say the moment over here, the sum of moments over here should be 0. The one is the unknown moment, that is MA, and we have just our institution is that it is anti-clockwise, because the applied force is trying to move it in a clockwise direction, so reactive moment has to be in the anti-clockwise direction. So taking moment at A, that sigma MA is equal to say 0. So over here reactive moment is MA, and the other moment is minus x is equal to 0. It is 1 multiplied by x, that this is the force arm. So 1 into x is equal to 0. Hence M A is equal to x. This equation will give us, when we apply the boundary conditions over here, this will give us the values of the influence line diagrams ordinates anywhere in the section, anywhere along the length. So when x is equal to 0, of course MA is equal to 0. So if we draw the influence line over here, this is the reference line and the first ordinate over here is 0, and when x is equal to L implies that M A is equal to L. So at the other end it will be a distance L ordinate on the far end. So for anywhere in between the span you want to find out, then interpret x in terms of L. So we want to find out that when this unit load has traveled 80% of the length of the cantilever, that is 0.8 L, then x is equal to 0.8 L, then when x is equal to 0.8 L, then value of influence line is over here, applying over here, that is MA is equal to 0.8 L. So somewhere over here, if this is 0.8 L, then the value of this ordinate is 0.8 L. So anywhere in the section we can find out its ordinate and draw the influence line diagram for both the reactions. This is influence line diagram for BA and this is influence line diagram for moment reaction at A. Thank you very much.